Welcome to this introduction to the uniform distribution. In the world of statistics and probability, this is one of the simplest yet most fundamental concepts you will encounter. It describes a situation where every outcome is equally likely to occur. Let's explore what that means. So, what exactly is a uniform distribution? Imagine a situation where fairness is absolute. It is a probability distribution where every single possible outcome has the exact same chance of happening. Because the probability stays the same across all values, the graph looks like a flat line or a rectangle. That is why it is often called the rectangular distribution. There are no peaks, no bell curves, just a flat, even field. There are two main types of uniform distribution: discrete and continuous. The discrete type deals with countable outcomes, like specific integers. Think of rolling a die or tossing a coin. The continuous type deals with outcomes that can be measured, like time or distance, where the value can be any decimal number within a range. Let's look at a classic example of the discrete type, rolling a fair six-sided die. You have numbers 1 through 6. The chance of rolling a 1 is 1/6. The chance of rolling a 2 is also 1/6, and so on. Since the probability is identical for every number, the bar chart shows bars of equal height. Now let's look at the continuous type. Here, we use a probability density function, or PDF. Because every value between the minimum and maximum is equally likely, the graph forms a perfect rectangle. The line is flat between the start and end points, indicating constant probability density. To describe this distribution mathematically, we only need two parameters. We call the minimum value A and the maximum value B. The distribution exists strictly between A and B. The total width of our distribution is simply the difference between them, B minus A. One of the most important rules in probability is that the total area under the curve must always equal 1, representing 100% probability. Since our shape is a rectangle and area equals width times height, we can easily find the height. The height is simply 1 divided by the width, or 1 over the quantity b minus a. How do we calculate the probability of an event? In a continuous distribution, probability is the area under the curve. If you want to find the probability of getting a value between x1 and x2, you just calculate the area of that slice. You take the width of the slice and multiply it by the height we just found. Let's recap what we have learned. The uniform distribution represents a scenario where all outcomes are equally likely. It can be discrete, like dice, or continuous, like time. The continuous version looks like a rectangle. Its height is determined by the length of the interval, ensuring the total area is always 1. And finally, probability is simply calculated as the area of a specific section.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.